Okay, so let me say this, bro. There's a video on YouTube that a guy says that the Zippo leaks are fake. The ones about adventure remakes, and he had a friend, I think, who talked to like Ken Pontac and that company that made like Sonic toys, Sonic action figures. Was it Jazzwares? Yes, it was. So, and they said there wasn't anything related to, they didn't do anything related to the Sonic Adventure remakes. And the guy basically says that, like, Zippo was pulling shit out of his ass and, like, this and that. And honestly, I think I don't know. I don't know if I believe what this guy is saying or not. Like, honestly, the Sonic like community now is fucking insane. Like, it's trying to find like every like it's trying to find something, but it doesn't know what to find, and it's just completely insane. Like, one time this could be right. Sorry, the one thing that at this. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. This is just too fucking insane for me. Like, can we just, can we not just go at every bit of the internet looking for just a little bit of something, like a little bit of leak or something like this to find like a Sonic game or a Sonic board game or whatever the fuck is going on right now, because this Sonic community is not okay. It's trying to find every bit of game news, like, and at this point it's basically like gone fucking insane. It's really sad, bro. Seeing this community of people just going there and saying, is this right, is this wrong, and then there, like, can we not do this shit, bro? Can we just be reasonable, sensible, and like these good things are not just go fucking ballista or something. Like, it's really sad, bro. Like, it's really sad. Like, the Sonic, the fans are really stretching every bit of the Sonic franchise, looking for something just to hold their needs. Like, they can't fucking live without a game news or a leak or a rumor. Like, they need this shit because they can't stand waiting for a game. Like, if you want a game like within a month, like right now, it could be not finished, and it could lead to another Sonic 06, Sonic Boom. Like, is that what you really want? Is that what you really want, Sonic fans? Like, grow up. like whatever Sega's doing is probably for the best. Like we're not in a drought to like people are saying there are comics, a movie on the way, a fucking TV show what we've been wanting for a while ever since the Sonic Boom TV show ended, and we're finally getting it next year. So wait, if we're getting a Sonic TV show like we wanted, you're gonna get a game too. It's just gonna take some time. Like, chill. So basically, this is my thing at this Sonic like adventure remakes. I just hope like these fucking fans just grow up and learn to think learn that life isn't just about Sonic. You know why I'm not going fucking crazy? Just because we're not getting like Sonic news, it's because I have other shit to do. Like, I'm not gonna go out of my way to make a fake leak or a rant or... Well, I guess I'm making a rant right now, but... I'm not doing the shit that other people are doing, like these toxic Sonic fans. These toxic Sonic fans are only looking for this shit, bro. Like, oh my god. Like just chill the fuck out. Do something else that isn't Sonic, and maybe it's gonna fill that fucking hole that you have, and it's gonna last you enough till the next fucking game gets announced or like a trailer or something. So just chill everybody. The world isn't going to end just because we don't have a Sonic game right now. Chill, everything's chill. That's all I have to say. Bye. See you next time.